Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Alpha 06 in Jurassic World the game, only way. Start by unlocking the event that spawns Alpha 06, then level 3 compatible creatures to high stats before the event begins. Focus on creatures with high damage and speed to finish waves quickly. Save boosts and heals for the final encounter and manage swaps carefully to avoid wasting turns or losing momentum during the boss fight. Prepare your roster by picking 3 creatures that complement each other while aiming for speed, damage, and sustain. Boost their levels and merge DNA to unlock moves that exploit weaknesses in event opponents. Consider bringing 1 support hybrid for heals or shields and 2 heavy hitters to deal consistent damage. Practice the sequence in friendly battles to refine your swap timing and action order before the real event begins. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long gaming sessions. Trust me, your feet will thank you. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick up a pair if you want a small treat. Now let's get back to the video. During the event, play patiently and prioritize removing opponent advantages like shields or armor first, then unleash your damaging combos. Swap creatures when they would otherwise be knocked out to keep momentum with intact moves. Save any boosts or healed actions for the final matchup with Alpha 06 to maximize capture chance and reduce retries. Stay calm and repeat the routine, adjusting lineups based on which opponents give you trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.